Today with Fact Folks, we are going to share some interesting facts about India.
India is the most vegetarian country.
The country with the highest proportion of vegetarianism is India, with a staggering 38% of the population identifying as vegetarian.
The Taj Mahal is not a palace.
Taj Mahal, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, is in fact a mausoleum. Commissioned by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, the Taj Mahal was constructed between 1632 and 1653.
The first country to mine and lead diamond production.
Per the records, India has been the only source of diamonds in the world for over 1000 years since the 4th century BC. The diamonds were mined from the alluvial deposits of the Krishna Nagar Delta.
Hinduism is the oldest in the world.
India has the largest Hindu population in the world, with over 966.3 million individuals identifying as Hindu, according to the 2011 census.
The magnetic hill that defies gravity.
Magnetic hill outrightly defies gravity. Yes, you heard it right. Also known as Gravity Hill, it is located around 30 kilometers from Leh. This is actually a part of the Road of the Lake.
The world's largest religious pilgrimage destination.
The Vishnu temple in the city of Tirupati, built in the 10th century, is the world's largest religious pilgrimage destination. Larger than either Rome or Mecca, an average of 30,000 visitors donate $6 million US to the temple every day.
5,000 years old, Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places in the world.
Situated on the banks of river Ganges and represented in the parliament by the country's PM Narendra Modi, the holy city of Banaras or Varanasi is at least 3,000 years old.
World's only floating post office in Dal Lake in Srinagar.
India is not only known for the most significant number of post offices in the world, but it has its very own floating post office on Dal Lake in Srinagar.
The only country with a Bill of Rights for cows.
Cows are believed to be holy in Hinduism, and the constitution has a set of rules in place that prevents the sale and slaughter of cows. Now, isn't this a fantastic fact about India?
The Himalayan ranges have 9 out of 10 world's highest peaks.
The mighty Himalayas boast of 9 out of 10 world's highest peaks, the highest being Metricton Everest at 8,848 meters.
There are over 300,000 mosques in India.
With 14.2% of the country's population being from the Muslim community, India happens to have the most number of mosques in the world.
World's highest rail bridge in Jammu.
About 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower, the arch-shaped Chenab Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir is the world's tallest rail bridge. It stands at the height of 1,178 feet over the river Chenab.